Anyone that didn't do mincha yet, downstairs in the main shul there's a minyan now for mincha.
Another one?
Another minyan, I'm sorry.
Can you do it twice?
Twice, 3 times, 4 times. Okay, halacha. As you know, we're learning the laws. We're learning the laws of building the Beis Hamikdash. Hilchos Beis Abchir, which the Torah says that when you learn the laws of building, it's as if you're building it. So what's today's halacha? Halacha 4. Binyan Shabana Shloima. The binyan that Shlomo HaMelech built, Kvar Meforish V'Melachim. If you look in Kings, Melachim, it goes through the detail of how Shlomo built the Beit HaMikdash. Every size of every room, the square feet, the height, the width, everything. V'chein binyan ha'asel libanis. The third Beit HaMikdash is where? In Yecheskel. Yecheskel has many chapters that you could literally sit and learn. However, it's not clear and it's not understood what he exactly means till Mashiach comes. So when they built the second Beis HaMikdash, what did they do? They wanted to make it similar to the third, but it was hard to understand the Yecheskel, the prophecy of Yecheskel. So they did it Banihu Kebinyan Shlomo. They built it like Shlomo, which is the first, and some of the things that are in the third. So the second Beis HaMikdash was basically based like the first, like Shlomo's, but they incorporated in it some of the third items in the third Beis HaMikdash, not all of it, because they didn't have air conditioning system, which we hired Yosef Boboa to engineer the vent and everything, because you have 15 million Jews in a room size like 4,000 square feet, and you have to be cool.
50.
And it's 100 degrees. How do you do that? He already invented it. He did it for the World Trade Center, Olav HaShalom, and for the New World Trade Center. So he's hired for doing that. Thank you, Yosef, for your volunteer. Now, in the Beit HaMikdash, there were 3 major rooms that's called Mikdash. What is it called? Kodesh, which we call the sanctuary. Kodesh HaKadoshim, which is the Holy of Holy. And Heichal, which is the entrance hallway before you get into the sanctuary. So basically, you had a big room which was 40 by 40 amot, which was the hallway. And there was a roof, a real room. Then you go to the sanctuary, which is another 40 by 40. Then you go to the Holy of Holy, which is 20 by 20. Amot. And all 3 together are called temple building. That's the building. If you see in the picture, there's the building, and then there's the courtyard. And he says, in front of this building was called the Azara. Azara is the courtyard where they had the altar, which they brought all the sacrifice. They had all the chambers, which they had the chamber for the wood, the chamber for the oil, the chamber for the wine, the chamber for the flour. They had a whole room set for animals. But that was all in a courtyard that had no roof. The structure had a roof. It had no roof. It was an open space. All this whole area, the courtyard plus the building, is called Azara. You'll always hear the word Azara. Azara means the entire temple structure with the courtyard. And why they call it Azara? Azara comes from the word Ozer. What does Ozer mean? Help. If you need help, where do you go? To the Beit HaMikdash. It helps you get closer to Hashem. You bring a sacrifice, atone. It helps you tap into Hashem. It helps Hashem get close to you. So it's the best help you can get. Where do the people go to help today? Mikdash Ma'at. And then the small Beis HaMikdash, which is Chabad in the shul, where that's called Mikdash Ma'at. It's a small help. It's not like the help of the Azara, but it's the help of that. So these 3 rooms are a part of the structure of the Beis HaMikdash. If you don't have these 3 rooms, you don't have a Beit HaMikdash. Holy of Holy, sanctuary, and the entry hallway, which is called the Ulam. Ulam is the entry hallway, which most shuls, by the way, are built similar to it. You have a lobby, the sanctuary, and then you have the Holy of Holy, which is the Aron Kodesh. similar to the way they build it in Yerushalayim.